This video will go over how to install the Torklift D1100 SuperHitch 20K on a Ram 2500. This hitch will increase the capabilities of your truck with a 2,000-pound tongue weight and 20,000-pound towing capacity when used with weight distribution equipment. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, this hitch is powder-coated and built to last. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Remove the factory hitch if necessary and loosen spare tire for easier access. Start by seeing if your vehicle has 3 or 5 holes on either side of the frame. Some years may require drilling to achieve 5 bolt assemblies on each side. Drop one 1/2 inch by 2 inch grade 8 bolt and a 2 by 2 inch offset hole plate washer in the large hole in the end of the frame. Install the narrow side of the plate washer towards the vertical flange of the frame and the wide side toward the rear. Attach the side plates to the truck frame with a single 1/2 inch by 2 inch bolt assembly on either side. Important to note to make sure to leave the bolts finger tight. If your truck requires drilling of holes, do so now to achieve 5 bolts on each side. Now install the cross tube using a 1/2 inch by 1.5 inch bolts with the threads facing away from the spare tire. Secure the bolt with 1 lock washer and 1 nut per bolt. Torque the bolts to 75 foot-pounds. With the cross tube now tight, hold side plates flat up to the bottom of frame, placing the hitch over the bolt. While holding the frame plate in place, install 2 flat washers, 1 lock washer, and 1 nut onto each bolt. Now check to see what other holes in the frame line up with the holes in the SuperHitch. There should be at least 3 to 5 factory holes per side, depending on the year of truck. As mentioned before, some installs require drilling of additional holes to achieve 5 bolts per side, 10 bolts total. Retighten spare tire and torque all 1/2 inch grade 8 nuts to 100 foot-pounds. Your SuperHitch is now installed and ready to tow.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.